Hey there, crypto enthusiasts! Get ready to dive into the world of helium mining IoTs, the next big thing in the cryptocurrency industry. So, what exactly is helium mining IoT? It's a groundbreaking technology that allows you to earn cryptocurrency tokens simply by connecting devices to the Helium network. Sounds cool, right? How does it work? Well, it's simple. You set up a small device called a hotspot in your home or office, and it uses radio waves to connect to other devices nearby. These devices, also known as miners, collect and transact data on the Helium network. But wait, that's not all. Every time your hotspot facilitates a successful transaction or supports network coverage, you earn Helium tokens. These tokens can be traded and exchanged, just like any other cryptocurrency. But why should you care about helium mining IoTs? Because they are revolutionizing the crypto world. They provide a decentralized and cost-effective solution for the Internet of Things industry, ensuring connectivity and data exchange without relying on traditional infrastructure. Imagine a future where every device is connected, whether it's your smart home appliances, industrial machinery, or even your pet's collar. With helium mining IoTs, this future is not far-fetched at all. And here's the best part, you don't need to be a tech expert to get started. Helium mining IoTs are designed to be user-friendly, with intuitive apps and step-by-step guides that make setup a breeze. So, are you ready to join the helium mining revolution? Start mining today and unlock the power of the Helium network. Thanks for watching our video. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more exciting crypto content. Happy mining!